Hello friends, good morning. So today I'm here to tell you how to collect the corms or the bulb for dahlia flower. So you see this is a dried dahlia plant in front of me, and this usually happens in the off season. So once its flower has bloomed and the season is off, the plant gets dry automatically. Although there are still some dahlia plant in my garden which are still flowering, but this one choose to just this one had early flowering, and actually in the month of December it was flowering. Usually dahlia start flowering in February, and this is the reason it chose to die first early. Now once it starts drying itself, then stop giving water. So the first step is do not give water after that, and then you keep it in dry area in sunlight if you prefer, so that the soil gets completely dry out of moisture. And since you are not giving water on top, so the plant eventually completely dries and it drops off. So as you see, this is all gone. Now what we'll do, and then you see and another reason why I stopped giving water is, see, these bulbs or the corms have started coming out on the top of the soil themselves. So this means that they are taking some time to form, and this is the right time when the soil you see is completely dry. The soil is completely dry, the plant is already dead, and now we can remove these safely and save it for our next season. It's similar to what you do to the potatoes. So if you leave it in the soil, you have to keep it dry, and then automatically in the next season it will start growing. But then why to waste one of our pot or keep it occupied with the corms? So I'll just remove it and keep it safely with me. So what to do next is just put the pot slowly down on the ground, tap it from the base, from the edges, from the bottom. Now slowly tilt it and try to shake it so that the plant comes out, the soil comes out. And if it is still stuck, no worries, just tap it more. Make it completely upside down. Now tap it. Since this is a terracotta plant, I don't want to get hard on it, otherwise the pot will break. Okay, so still it is not coming out. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm pulling the plant from here. Wow, that is the big one. See, this big dahlia corm was growing inside it. Beautiful. And if I would have left it, it would have rotten here itself. And then there are some small bulbs as well. Another big one over here. It's beautiful. Now just check the soil if there are any. I'm not using the spade just to avoid any kind of mishaps with the formed corms, but I don't think anything else is left now. Yeah, nothing more is there in this pot, although the soil is still there. And before repotting, I'll just clean it up to avoid any fungus, and if something is there we can still get more comps, but right now it doesn't looks that anything is left now in the soil. And the soil had become little bit stiff in the base, which means that this was another reason that the plant chose to die. But probably I think that it died its natural growth because these cones were formed very nicely, and which means that the plant had already was ready to had completed this tenure and was ready to go on for the next phase of creating. Now I'll slowly remove these combs from the roots like this. So I have some bulb, three, then few more were forming, these small ones, 4. This is half broken, but I'll see if something grows out of it. 5. There is one here, but again this one is also broken. I don't think it will survive. Yeah, it won't survive. It's broken. Okay. And this one is not coming out. 6.